Hi there, this is Yano with Mockys. Today I'm going to show you how to take a Hearts Variety Bundle and mix and match to create different cake toppers and cupcake toppers. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more helpful tutorials for making cake toppers. Also, be sure to get your freebies from the link below. Okay, well, let's get started. So here we are in Cricut Design Space. Let's go ahead and upload the file. Click Upload, Upload Image. Now find the image that you downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and link the file below so you can get exactly what we have here. Find your download and drag it over. And hit save. Click on it and insert images. Now when the file comes in, you're going to see it really large. You can go ahead and make it smaller so you can see all of them at the same time. Decide on what you want to choose and go ahead and ungroup them first so you can select individual ones. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can mix and match the designs to create 3 different cake toppers. But the possibilities are endless. You can mix and match them as much as you want and create as many varieties as you like. Okay, let's get started with this first one right here. I'm going to drag it over. And I'm going to take this one right here also. And go ahead and delete the rest. So let's bring them over and make them bigger so we can see them better. All the hearts in the cake topper bundle come in 5 inches wide. This is to make it easier for you to work with it, or you can go ahead and just choose one and cut it as is. Of course, you can resize them to any size that you like. These are my recommended sizes. When you create a cake topper, the standard size is 6 inches wide. So go ahead and make your layer, the lowest layer, 6 inches wide. So I'm going to take the scallop design and I'm going to make it 6 inches wide. And this wireframe design, I'm going to bring it to the top. So arrange and send to front. And I'm going to layer it over. So let's go ahead and change our color so we can see the design better. Click on the scallop design and let's go ahead and make it red. And this one on the top, let's go ahead and make it gold. Or a color that looks like gold. So let's make this orangey color. So here we are, already have a design. You can go ahead and cut it as is. It's perfectly beautiful. And you can choose gold paper, you can choose red for this particular example, or you can add something on top. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create this and make it an anniversary topper. So let's say that we're celebrating 5-year anniversary. So let's go ahead and put a number 5 on top. I'm going to do is upload another design. So I'm going to go to upload. And I already have it pre-uploaded here. So I'm going to go to upload. Of course, I'm going to include the link to this file so you can get them if you'd like. Go ahead and hit insert images. Again, this design comes in big so you can zoom out and see it all. Go ahead and ungroup and select all the numbers that you don't need and delete. We're going to choose number 5 for this example, so we're going to delete everything else. So this number 5 is a layered file. Again, I'm going to link the file below so you can purchase this if you like. And what we're going to do is we're just going to place it on top. Of course, the colors don't match. You can choose whatever colors you like. You can leave them as is and just choose the paper, or you can select each layer and change it right here in the color options. So let me go ahead and choose red as the bottom, and then I'm going to choose the following layer, choose the lightest red, and I'm going to go ahead the topmost teal currently, I'm going to choose it to the lighter red. So right here you can go ahead and layer the number on top. I recommend you use foam squares to give it some dimension. And here's your design for a 5th anniversary that you can use for yourself or your clients. Now here we are back again with all the designs from the variety bundle. I'm going to show you another option how to create with mix and matching the designs. So let's go ahead and use this heart right here, this one right here, and at this time we're going to use these flowers. Again, select all the ones that you don't need and delete. So again, for this design, I'm going to go ahead and make our last layer be 6 inches wide. And I'm going to layer this one on top. You can even select both of them and do a line centered. So they are centered equally. Now I'm going to try to go for a modern look, and I'm going to change my colors. I'm going to change this pink to a lighter pink. We can go ahead and change them here. And I'm going to choose this top layer, and I'm going to select black as my color. I'm going to go for more modern design. And these flowers right here, I'm going to keep them as is, but I'm going to bring them to the top. So go arrange, center front. As you can see, the flowers are currently covering most of the heart design, but when you cut it out, the flowers, you're going to go ahead and curl the petals so it's going to have a 3D look. So here we are, we have another cake topper from the bundle. You can go ahead and put this as an anniversary, you can use it for Valentine's, or you can even do it for birthdays. Now all you have to do is hit make it, put your paper in, and cut it out. Now here we are again with all the designs from the variety bundle. As you can see, there are many options that you could create any design. You can go ahead and use any of these hearts as is, or actually use these phrases as is, or layer them on top of each other. So let me go ahead and just show you one example how to do that. Let's choose this stripe design right here and this phrase right here. Again, go ahead and delete all of these that you don't need. I'm going to take the heart and make it 6 inches wide. All the phrases that are included with this variety pack are layered, so they have 3 layers to them. So they are already pre-designed and they're easy for you just to take your design and cut it out. Bring this to the front, just set it on top, and you're ready to go. Or change your colors. You can even make this black to make it more modern. And here you go. It's as simple as that.